today gonna be taking care of these door hinges. You can see moves pretty bad. So found some on Amazon. Let's get this opened up, check them out. Here are the new hinges. You got a letter for the right side, left side, and I think these are the bottom for each side. So let's get those bad boys on. Got the first what's it called, door hinge out, and yeah, it's pretty bad. That little bushing that's supposed to be in there is completely gone. It looks like I don't know who they is. Someone tried to just, I guess, cram some tape in it to get it by, but these will be a lot better. All right, top one out on the driver's side, and once again, like, this bushing wasn't even in. This one is come on, focus. Half of it's there, so you can imagine what it was doing. It did not want to open or close too easily, but I got the lower one on. Let me get this upper one on, and then we'll see how it does. Well, these were a lot more difficult than I had anticipated. By no means am I any good at body work, but again, these are the old ones, quite worn out. The bushings are gone. I did manage to get it on. Get this jack out of the way. I managed to get it on, get it set up. Door line's pretty good. It doesn't like drop. Probably could be lined up a little better. Gotta slam it, not slam it, but close it pretty firmly. But I don't know, maybe that's partial to the latch and the striker. Got the hinges on. I just did the driver's side for now. This was a real pain in the ass. I did it with the fenders on. I ended up finding out the hard way that there you go. Ended up finding out the hard way that it's best to have the fender off, and it makes perfect sense. And then you can get to the bolts, obviously, with the fender out of the way. I did loosen the fender just to try and adjust it a little more, because this fender was scooted over a lot. It was rubbing the door with the door straight, so no matter what, I had to at least get it out of the way, and that happened from the fender being so close. But anyways, door latches on. At least they don't sag anymore, they don't have play anymore, and I can actually open and close the door without picking it up. Before, I literally had to if I was inside the truck, I had to actually pick up on the door as I closed it. Now I can actually use the door panel as I'm supposed to. So, little thing taken care of for now. Maybe one day I'll actually have it lined up nice and neat, but for now that'll work. So till next time, let's see what the next fix is. I'm out of here.